Here, would you like some olives?
But I will later. We'll eat them. Because they're very important. When we have some wine or something later on, it would be perfect. Not yet, but we're going to eat them. We shall.
Potato of the chip variety.
Potato, potato. We have to eat them.
I think those are mine. Oh, I bet it's for a new bridge. Oh, it's the new bridge right here. It's going to go through there and it's going to go through the tunnel. That's that dam. There's a whole new bridge right here.
Ah.
And then it goes right through the tunnel.
Is that a really long tunnel, right?
I don't know what that one is,
But
but
one of
there.
them is a ridiculous. That's what I thought you said. That's I would get claustrophobic.
They have special fans to bring air in.
I think I would get claustrophobia in there.
Or anything breaks down anywhere along the way, you got 10 miles to walk to get out of it.
Sounds, I don't know. I can't think about it.
No.
What makes it pick these songs?
Well, I love this song, and I hate the guy, and I don't like any of his other music.
I don't like this
Song
song.
I really
I love
like,
this song.
but
Always reminds me of the End Up North.
what a fool. Did you see that latest picture of him?
No.
Oh, in the
He was
office.
dressed in like
In the Oval Office.
In the Oval Office.
like American flag, everything. It was disgusting.
He's a horrible.
I hate how he pretends that he was poor. He was a really rich kid and raised. His dad owned a dealership.
Really?
Yeah, and he actually belonged to at least one of the clubs my parents belonged to. He was a pro singer. He was not.
Some old country boy.
He was not poor. He plays to the middle working class,
Right.
Yeah,
and he
right.
was nothing like.
Well, it's with Trump.
Yep.
Well, Trump was born into money. Trump was born into money, and he doesn't pretend that he didn't
Yeah,
have
born
money.
into crime.
Yeah, my dad at least, my mom said it at least 20 times a day. Calls her an
I agree with
That
you.
was my dad's
Then I
last,
agree with your
my
dad
mom's,
20 times a day.
my mom's last conversation with my aunt before she passed was that very same thing. He's an asshole.
And 90% of the country or the world would know who that is too. Well, no, actually, anything. Because I think idiot is mild. Frankly.
Yeah, but
And there were, I mean,
what a
there's
word
been,
to
I've
associate
seen
your
that
name.
during the march, there were those signs and the t-shirts just with that on it. Everybody knows. There's actually, and I'm hoping to find it, I'm going to find out where it is, but there's a couple of murals I wouldn't mind finding.
Here?
Here.
Yeah, let's do that for sure.
There are some well-known ones here. If they're, I mean, they have to be walkable. I know, but I'm just saying they have to be walkable. So,
That guy that we saw said the whole city is walkable. One side to the
okay,
other.
because I just, you know, I know they're going to be kind of tucked away because there was like actually one right by our hotel.
Really?
That's very, yeah, well-known one. And it's children. It was right by our hotel. If you went out our hotel and walked to the left instead of to the right. I saw it last night and took a picture of it last night.
Was I with you when you did that?
You guys were farther
I'm
ahead,
thinking I-
but it was right by the hotel.
Right, I'm thinking I know which one you mean.
Yeah, it was of 2 children. I posted it. It's of 2 children.
Very cool.
But that one is. But there's a couple that are just really powerful. The message, and that's what I like about them because they're not afraid to just like put it in your face.
I know. I like that too.
And you know, a lot of these they're done like overnight. They just appear.
Right.
And that's what I think is cool.
I do too. Like,
They just appear.
yeah, I think that's very cool.
And there's a lot that are very current about what's happening in the United States.
Right,
That are
right.
here.
Well,
There's yeah, very current. Because I was looking at a website that said newer work that's been found. Very, very, very current, and there's a message.
I was talking to hotel guy after everybody was gone while I was trying to get my suitcases out the door. And I was talking to him about his accent, and I thought his English was amazing. And somehow we got talking about Americans. He said, everybody always tells me Americans are the worst people. And he said, I gotta say, I think Americans are great. And I think most Americans are great. Well, that's surprising. He said, especially given the current times. I find that to be remarkable. It's pretty embarrassing.
It's actually, because you've always heard the ugly American. I mean, I have seen misbehaving people. But I can see there can be any nationality. I saw the worst when we were in Monaco. The entitlement, not Americans, the entitlement of people with wealth and privilege that just
about the current times. He just said, well, I think Americans are nice people. That was being very
it was nice.
political.
It was nice of him to say that.
I wanted to say, well, I know, but I didn't say that because it was really
I always feel like I need to apologize.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. My biggest
Right. Yeah.
I feel the most right. But I feel most embarrassed in Canada. They are our brothers.
Oh my God.
I am embarrassed. I do too. And they're in their vibe
Halifax, was nice. St. John,
We met a couple when we were down in the market with Jennifer and Mark and family. And she was from Windsor, and he's from here, but they're married and they live here. And we were just talking about the times, and it was right at the beginning of the embargo stuff. It was like a month ago, and she was just saying it's really bad in Canada about the U.S. Really bad.
they're pissed.
They should be.
They should be. Well, I was reading this morning that the states, they will lose billions and billions of dollars in tourism. Billions. Think about that. Well, that's going to affect these tourist cities. Billions. And you think about the people that come to work in the, like even up north, Michigan, they rely on.
Yeah, they said even like in North Dakota and South Dakota, all along the border and stuff, they said a lot of those states are going to lose.
Minnesota.
Well, you won't have the workers either. I mean, like the up north, they always have people from other countries come there. They're not going to want to. How terrifying would that be? But I know Canadians, they go down to Florida. They didn't go down to Florida this year. They were selling their properties.
I don't blame them.
The harbor,
The harbor. Whenever you kept saying flam, I kept thinking of flambe. Flambe. Although that looks like it's kind of in central.
What?
Flam. It's like in a little cove, like a cove, right? But it's like in the middle of the country.
Up in the mountains.
But I kept thinking flambe.
What's the size?
I do wonder if he has the flu. I really do.
It's possible.
I mean, he's so low energy. I mean, this doesn't seem like a cold for him.
Well,
I mean, I know him with a cold, and this doesn't. He's so low energy.
well, that might have been true. I never got tested.
Right. But I just know how he is with a cold, and I mean, this is.
I feel bad when it's dragging. When you feel so bad,
I know, because we've all felt that way at one point on a trip. Where
Yeah,
you just
we all
have
got
to
sick on one trip.
push through. Yeah, it's
Remember we
hard.
went to shower second in New York?
Oh, you missed a couple days on our last trip.
Right.
Yeah, to Prague. Yeah.
And then I got it by the time we got to Dublin.
But to me, this is not a cold.
Well, I'm sorry there's not good. I just can't believe you're
Okay, this is really mean of me to say this, but I'm hoping it's the flu because I got a flu shot and I've been immune.
Oh, then hopefully you are.
Maybe, but I hope I don't get it because I don't want to cancel my surgery.
Oh, that's right. What day is it after we get back?
May 6th. I have 10, it'll be 10 days. So I have 10 days to be sick and get better.
Well, that's just the right amount of time.
I hope so.
I got my next COVID booster. I've now had 9.
Did you?
Yeah.
We didn't get the last week. I mean, we had gotten our last one in
Last one you had to
September.
get 2 in 6 months.
Yeah, we had in September. I know, and we didn't. We talked about it, and then we didn't do it. We did the talk about it.
Yeah,
Because we were right on the brink of it, right?
that's all you need.
But,
Yeah, just so that you get, it's a 6 month.
right.
Within 6 months.
Right.
September, October, November.
Right. We should have gotten it. We should have, but we didn't do it.
Outside.
Right. But, because we've got, I've lost count. So you've kept count.
Well, I did only because I got the very first wave in February, and I counted up recently, and this is my 9th one.
Okay.
Was that in line at the bathroom speed?
But they usually
It's just going to be a long line to get out.
All right, watch my face.
Did they have, you notice if they had the door open yet?
Huh?
Did they have the door for the luggage open yet? Oh, they did?
Because I did notice there were people sitting in seats with all their
I
luggage.
know. I went to get in and it was locked.
I just feel like we don't have to just be crazy rush. I mean, we're not
What's the plan for getting to the hotel?
It's about a 2 or 3 minute taxi and it's a 13-minute walk.
I say we
What do you
walk
feel like
it.
doing?
I think I'd like to walk.
Do you think you are okay to walk?
And all it is,
Just to get the fresh air.
when we get off the ship, you're on that main street where all those houses are, the colored
Yeah.
houses. We walk right along that where the fish market
That'll be
is.
fine.
Yeah,
And then
okay.
we, right as we pass that, we turn in and it's 1 block in.
Okay.
I think it'll be good to get some fresh air, as long as you're up to it.
I'll be fine.
Okay. But this has been more relaxing anyway. I'm glad it's more relaxing.
I thought we'd be in more deep fjords on this ride. More coast along
Yeah,
the coast.
I knew it wouldn't. I knew it wouldn't be the high thing on this ride.
That's tomorrow.
We should get some of that tomorrow.
So we're doing a trip, a boat tomorrow.
About 2.5 to 3 hours tomorrow.
What time is it?
7.
Really?
No?
I'm trying to be nice
I can't
about
remember.
it.
It's either 11 or it's 1.
Okay.
I can't remember.
What's on the rest of today?
We're going up.
Exploring.
I got tickets already for today to go up the funicular to get up on top above the Bergen.
I appreciate all the organizing. Thank you. It's been very smooth.
9 years in the making.
Do you need your bag here?
Yeah.
This is so giant. Can you grab it?
You want to know where we're going up to for lunch?
Oh, we have a lunch plan?
In that building right up there in the morning.
Yeah.
You see the funicular? It's going up right now.
Oh, yeah.
Good idea. Oh my gosh. You know when we were in Salzburg
Yeah.
and we went to Hallstatt and where we had that lunch, I guess it was, overlooking, there was a photo at my aunt's funeral of my mom and dad and my aunt and uncle at probably the same table.
That's very
Dementia is really not fun. I mean, he knows he has it. Yeah, he's just gotten so frail. At my aunt's funeral, that's all they talked about was, oh, well, who of us is next? What? Usually.
See that white building up there? If we're going to get some lunch on top.
Way up there?
Yeah.
That's where the lunch?
Yeah, the funicular gets right
Oh,
up.
oh. So it could be crowded. If you want to up there. Although, we like the Eagle's Nest, right? Isn't that where we were up at the
That was
top?
cool. I loved it. I'm glad we did that. I mean, I was, it really sort of the whole thing initially pissed me off, but when I found out that all the money, where the money goes, it made me feel better. And I was glad to hear that he didn't like it up there.
Me too. That made me feel better as well.
I just feel like we're reliving that. I'm so mortified by these camps, this El Salvador stuff.
Going right over there, all that.
That ship right there is so unique looking to me.
Which one?
This red and white
You
right
mean the
here.
one that looks like that one, and that one?
Which place are we going up? I can't tell what that looks like.
We're gonna go over here.
To me.
You think they're going to go over there?
I think that's what you said, that one up there. No?
Yeah. No, we're talking about where we parked in the boat. It looks like we're churning boat.
Is this
Oh,
an
it's probably going right
electric
here, Pete.
ship?
On the end.
Yeah, that's, you can see the spot. It looks just like where we got on.
Is this electric?
No, I don't think so. There'd be way too many batteries.
It's just so quiet.
It is very quiet.
After we go get our luggage.
Do you have your stuff packed up?
It's going to be all crowded up there, but
I don't see anybody in the hallway.
What's the temperature here?
Mid 50s.
I'm gonna go up by the Bergen.
Okay.